Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with a Samsung phone. First, ensure both your phone and smartwatch are fully charged, ideally at 80% or higher, to prevent power interruptions. Then, download the Essential Galaxy wearable app from the Google Play Store onto your Samsung device. Finally, before proceeding, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for a smooth connection process. Now that your devices are ready, open the Galaxy wearable app on your Samsung phone. Once inside the app, you will see a prominent Start button. Tap this to initiate the device pairing process. The app will then automatically scan for any available smartwatches nearby, typically within a range of about 5 to 10 feet, making it easy to find your device and proceed to the next stage of setup. After the scan is complete, a list of available smartwatches will appear on your phone screen. Carefully select your specific smartwatch model from this list to ensure you connect to the correct device. A unique pairing code will then be displayed on both your phone and your watch. Confirm these codes match before tapping Connect. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions to move forward with the initial setup. Once connected, the Galaxy wearable app will automatically transfer essential data and settings to your new smartwatch. This process usually takes a few moments, ensuring all core functionalities are properly synced. After the transfer, take some time to explore the app. You can customize your watch face from hundreds of options or adjust notification settings for messages, calls, and other alerts, making the experience truly yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.